Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Paul McMahon here with Forex Smart Trade. It is Thursday, July 6th, 2023, a minute or two after 4, and we're going to go over my analysis for the overnight trade setup. On the overnight trade setup, I take two trades, one on the Euro USD and one on the pound yen, and I use the strategy of a modified 10-point trade, and we've got a dozen different strategies, and we'll teach you those once you get signed up for our coaching. So let's go ahead and take a look. I take it off the day chart over here, and I look primarily at what's going on with the majors and minors, and specifically what's going on with the green line in the majors. And we are about a third away in the channel. Green line is going up, and it is a little bit better than 45 degrees. Maybe, what are we going to call that? Maybe 30 degrees instead of 45 degrees. So it's going up strong, about a third of the way in the channel. I'm going to jump over to the 12-hour chart to look for support. Steep green up again. Steep green up again, about 2/3 of the way. On the 8-hour, the green line is continuing to go up. It is probably 80% of the way through the channel. There's a little kink in the line here where it's going from more steep to less steep, but it is going up. 4 hours continuing to go up, and it has just reached the overbought spot. And it is going from less steep to more steep, so I like that. 2-hour is going up, and the 1 hour starting to roll. So with these three, the 1, the 12, and the 8, we can pretty confidently go for a 11 pip buy, and just taking a look at where we are on support and resistance. We are in the middle of a channel right now. So there's plenty of room to get those 11 pips, and we can double check things on the echo, and we've got green pretty much all the way across here. So we're gonna go ahead and take a buy. Let's take a look at the pound yen. Pound yen. Oh, pound yen isn't our friend tonight. Overbought. Green line is coming down on the day chart. So normally you would say, well, let's take a sell, but notice the steepness on the green line. It's less than 45 degrees. And then when I jump to the 12-hour, 12 hours going up, and it's going up pretty steeply. The 8 hours going up, not that steeply, but it's reaching overbought. You might argue maybe it's getting ready to roll, but it's still going up. 4 hour is going up, and we got a duck bill here. Here's the bill, and here's his head. Usually that means there's more up in the movement. Starting to roll on the 2 hours sideways, and starting to roll on the 1 hour sideways. Green's coming down, but red is horizontal. So here, no trade tonight on the pound yen. If you're looking to learn how to trade and you want to be successful at it, we can teach you, and we're so confident in our abilities to teach you that once we've trained you, we're going to let you trade with our money, and eventually you'll have the opportunity to trade an account of $100,000 and keep 80%. I am trading an account that has over 200,000 in it. So thanks so much for joining me. We will see you again with the live trade Monday afternoon at 3 o'clock. By the way, this morning's live trade did close profitably. So try to be there if you can. All right. Bye-bye.